Bright Black Science TV 111, Osei Kufuor. I'm back at y'all again. Now, I'm coming to y'all today to talk about metaphysical technology pertaining to cells. Now, in case y'all didn't know, every cell in your body is due to expire. And when the cells expire in your body, this is where your soul comes out of your body. When your expiration date, it comes out of your body. Now, they have found something where they could clone your cells, the nucleus in your cells, to actually give you time. But the catch is, if they give you time and you accept to do the time, on a chip that they give to you is like an account, they will be able to control you. You won't be able to control yourself. You can control yourself, but at any time they see fit that they want to control you, they can control you. So that's the catch to it. So you can buy time. You can use those clone cells. They can put those clone cells in your DNA to give you time to stand and hold you in that body. But what happens is your soul leaves. A part of you stays there, but they can control it. I'm telling you, it's real. They have the technological advancement to do this. They have it now where they can clone your cells, clone the nucleus, and actually add time. It's just like a SIM card, or it's just like a cell phone where you add time to the cell phone. Upon you being able to leave your body, they can actually insert into your DNA certain cells to actually give you time. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, it's a lot of things out here, because what they have done was, even when you study the skyscrapers downtown in major cities, the skyscrapers has a lot of your DNA within it to keep the sun from burning the buildings. It's called solar cells. They use those solar cells from the melanated people's DNA. So when they go into your DNA, we are the only people with various types of cells: melanocytes, keratinocytes, solar cells. White people don't have solar cells. This is why they have to put sunblock on, because by way of photosynthesis, the sun gives them a negative communication. You understand what I'm saying? Anytime something gives you a negative communication, referring to nature, it lets you know that you're not natural to its environment. So now they study our cells, and what they're trying to do is what they have already done is they've already put it into themselves. They have laboratories all over America where they are taking these clone solar cells and they are inserting it to European genes to keep them here for a certain amount of time. But the thing is, upon putting these solar cells, which is cloned from us, into them, they cannot come out of the ground. They have to stay in the ground. They cannot come out of the ground until a certain part of the season, which is wintertime. In the summertime, these people who have our clone cells, our clone solar cells, have to stay underground. You get what I'm saying? Because it's not natural. They have to, since they are hybrid, they have to stay underground, because the sun has a chemical in it that reacts with the nucleus that causes the antennas to be disturbed by way of a certain frequency, because the megahertz that we consist of is like channels. We are channeled in, we are channeled out. The melanin is satellites. The melanin is like HAARP. Once you get your melanin in tune and cleanse your melanin, you can create catastrophes. If you get around a lot of people, just like in the summertime when black people get in a room together, it's hot. You say, damn, we're in a room full of black people. It's hot in here. Open up that window. It's real. What you're doing is you are summoning energy, which is extraterrestrials, which is a form of energy or information that is now going into your body. So heat is not just texture, something that we feel coming off the sun that's burning us. Heat is a form of information, and so therefore, if the information cannot get in by way of the European, if it's burning them, that means that they cannot digest that information, and that information is in kinship to the dream world. Every form or element is a form of communication or information. So in the heat, that's information. Being cold is information. You get what I'm saying? So the thing is, when you are sent energy signals by way of the weather, for an example, the melanin that we consist of is a satellite which can cause catastrophes. Only if we are in tune, they notice. This is why in the universe they have holographic satellites that is now suppressing the energy that is now entering into the spiritual brain of black people, because they know that we are creating, we have something that's coming off the coast. When I say the coast, I'm talking about the constellations, which is the coast of Orion, which is sending signals, because there is no type of catastrophes that can come into an initiation unless it gets permission from the constellations. And the constellations is where the main, which is where the major third eye is. You have your spiritual brain, then you have your spiritual third eye, which is your Christ. So therefore, once you make a contract to come into the universe or into this physical body, you brought information with you. And that information, a lot of stuff that we think that we learn from scholars and stuff like that is already in us. It's just that it wakes up at a certain time. So you really don't even have to listen to teachers or scholars in order to wake up. You have something in you that's already like a seed. And upon some people open up at 14 years old, 15 years old, 30 years old, 40 years old. It's information already implanted within your subconscious or within the mammalian brain, part of your brain. It's already buried deep in your subconscious before you even come out the womb. Because information is spiritual, it's not physical. So the thing is, you were impregnated at birth by way of your subconscious from a constellational system that you made a contract with to come here to actually pick up the water, the light, just like the plants use the chlorophyll by way of photosynthesis to convert sunlight to energy. That information is now being touched by the physical sun, and it's converting the information not into energy, but into full-blown information to take us on another dimension. If you get what I'm saying. So with that much said, Black Science TV 111, Osei Kufuor, I'm out. Peace.